Hey guys, my name is Don. I'm the owner of Guardian Security Screens. Hey, we're out here on this install, and this is a door that was installed by a company called Security Screen Masters. It was installed probably, I don't know, 5-6 years ago, but look at the operation of this door. You can't even, to get it to work, you have to pick it up out of the track to get it to move. The biggest problem with this is, well, besides the fact that it doesn't work, is Security Screen Masters went out of business years ago for ripping all their customers off. They have since rebranded, so be careful who you do business with. But this customer has nobody to service this door. They've spent thousands of dollars on this door, and there's not a company in town now that can service this door. What they've done is they've asked us to remove this door and put one of our doors on there in its place, because we've been around 10-12 years and we're not going anywhere by any stretch of the means, and so they know that we're going to be around to service their door in 5 to 10 years if there's any issues. Just be careful with who you do business with. Cheaper is not always better.